Summer planting for fall and winter picking. From 4-Season Food Gardening, how to grow vegetables, fruits, and herbs year-round. Stagger plantings every 2 to 4 weeks for a continued harvest throughout the season. Try fast-growing crops that can be harvested within 60 days or less. Seed packets will generally state days to maturity, which means the number of days from sowing seeds to harvest. Several early maturing varieties fall between 45 to 60 days from seeding, but numerous greens can be picked within 30 days for baby leaves. Radish is a quick-growing root crop, typically harvested in 21 to 35 days, depending on the variety. Although it prefers cool weather and should be planted in spring and fall.